Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. I'm back and I'm doing a few videos this morning. And the first one up here, well, it's not the first one, but it's the second one, is a 1969 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Now, this car has a 350 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, factory PMD Pontiac Motor Division rally wheels with the caps and the beauty rings, BF Goodrich Radial TA raised white letter tires. This car has only 46,510 original miles on it. Had one repaint. I believe most of the interior to be all original in this car. Factory center console, bucket seats. Just a very, very nice, clean car. The body and paint on this car are in good shape. Nice shine to that black paint. Hood insulator is intact. Factory stickers. It's like a newer AC compressor. Door gaps. The underneath this car is very solid as well. Just a very clean, I'd say a survivor car. I mean, because it's had one repaint, but outside of that, I think she's pretty much all original. It's like the engine may or may not have been rebuilt at one time. It's just painted up nice. We didn't do it, and I don't have paperwork on it, so I can't honestly tell you, but door buzzer works. You can see the odometer work because it's got 46,500 and almost 17 miles on it now. Wipers work. Horn works. Radio works. Left turn, right turn. Like the choke works on it. It'll kick off high idle here shortly. Right turn signal, tail lights, left turn signal, brake lights. We got one tail light that don't work right here. We got a marker light on that side. That Firebird cannot lit up. We got a couple of headlights that don't work. We got a marker light that don't work. A few lights that need to be replaced on this car, so we'll get that. We'll get the lights taken care of. Very, very nice car though, guys and gals. The chrome, stainless, and bright work on the car is in good shape. Maybe a couple little, very fine little scratches or a nick there. Small little imperfection in the paint right here. One small little scratch. I mean, it's a really nice car. We got this car priced at $49,900. I think it's a great car for the money. We'll take this thing out and drive it. The top on the car is in beautiful shape as well. The seats, very nice. A little bit of wear here on this edge and here. That's why I'm saying I think it's got mostly the original interior in it. Door jambs are nice. The car is just a super solid car. We might have to maybe set that idle down just a little bit. It doesn't seem to want to kick off high idle just yet.